see achiever, toughest one. The interior of a building is in form of a cylinder of diameter 4.3 meters and height 3.8 meters, surmounted by a cone whose vertical angle is a right angle. Find the volume and the curved surface area of the building respectively. Surmounted means what? One above other means this is the cylinder and above that is the cone. Now what are the details of the cone and the cylinder? See here, for cylinder it's given diameter 4.3, this height is 3.8, and about the cone it's given it's 90 degrees, right? And it is surmounted means it exactly fits this cylinder, right? Okay, so what will be the same? See here, this cone angle is 90 degrees, so both will be half 45 over here, right? So diameter you know 4.3, so R will be 2.15 for the cylinder and the cone both, right? So now we will be able to find the details of the cone also and of the cylinder also. Let's move on. So full volume of the building is volume of the cylinder plus volume of the cone. So volume of the cylinder equals to pi r square h. Pi I have taken 3.14 into r is 2.15 and h is 3.8. Now multiply this 2.15 square into 3.8 into 3.14. So it becomes 55.15. You do it yourself. Okay. Follow Vedic maths tricks. Those are easier. We have separate videos for them. Do those and follow those videos. Okay. So volume of cone now 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 into pi is 3.14 into r is 2.15 square into h is height 2.15. Why 2.15? See here, because this angle is 45 degrees. So if this angle is 45 degrees, both this height and the radius would be same, because this angle will also be 45 then, right? 90, 45, 45, right? So both the sides are equal. So that's why 2.15. So multiply this and you will get 10.4 square meters. Now add these. Total volume is 65.5 square meters. Here in exam, if the volumes are given in only pi, then you need not put the value of 3.14 or even 22/7. Keep it pi only and then find the value. Okay. Next is curved surface area. So curved surface area of the building is again cylinder plus cone. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, right? Why? Because cylinder means this, curved means this 2 pi r is a circle, circumference of the circle, and h means you take the circumference above. So formula for curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h or pi d also, anything. So 2 into 3.14 into r is 2.15 into h is 3.8. Multiply this, you will get 51.3 square meters. Again follow Vedic maths, it's easier. Follow the videos of mine. Then cone. Surface area of cone is pi r l. So 3.14 into 2.15 into L. We don't know L. We have to find L. So L is easier. Both the sides are 2.15 and 2.15. So hypotenuse equals to s1 square plus s2 square, square root of those. So root of 2.15 square plus root of 2.15 square. So 2.15 into root 2. Root 2 is 1.43. Remember, these two values you always have to remember. Root 2 is 1.43 and root 3 is 1.72. Okay. So 2.15 into 1.43, multiply this, you will get 3.07. This is the slant height, right? So cone is what? Surface area pi r into slant height. So it will be 3.14 into 2.15 into 3.07. Multiply this, you will get 20.75. Okay. So surface area of total building is 51.3 plus 20.75. 51.3 is cylinder. Okay. So 72.05 square meters. See here, calculations you have to do it yourself. You have to practice it because there is no other option. And for that I always suggest follow Vedic maths videos. That's why I prepared Vedic maths videos separately, because I know the maths which we do is really tough in calculations, and the ancient maths which was given by our ancestors is very easy. It can be done on fingers. So you have got both the answers, volume